Hey guys, this is Jen from the teen department, and today I'm going to show you how to make bottle cap flowers. So what I used to make this was I used some bottle caps, which you can get from Amazon, and I used these candy melt sticks, which you can get from Amazon as well, or you can also get them at Walmart. Okay, so here is my finished product. So I'll just go ahead and just kind of, if you can see it. So all I did for this was I used about 2 to 3 coats of paint for the flower, and I wanted to give it like a spring themed vibe. And you probably can't see it very well, but I used purple, and then I also used like some yellow for the middle. And then after the paint dried, I just used hot glue to just kind of glue them on the back side together. And then I just glued the candy melt stick, and that was all I did, and that's pretty much all there is to it. Thank you for tuning in, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.